graders, and welcome to lesson 2.5 that is solving multi-step equations, and we are on page 154. So if you are not already there, please turn there now. All right, well, solving multi-step equations. In some equations contain expressions when grouping symbols. So to solve these, we first expand using the distributive property. So basically what your goal today is we're going to review the distributive property and then use that to solve equations. Okay, so something that's not included in the book here, I'm just going to copy over here. When you have a number like 3 times x plus 4, we'll say 3 times x plus 4. When we have a number right outside of parentheses, what we need to do is distribute or share the wealth. We multiply this number by everything in there. So if you don't remember this, go ahead and check the video that is linked to this post. But basically, if this is my problem, I'm going to multiply the 3 times the x and then the 3 times the 4. So 3 times x would be 3x plus 3 times 4, which is 12. So just a little quick review on the distributive property. So for example, if we put this into an expression, we have 15 times 20 plus d equals 420. So the very first step, we're just adding a step before our old first step. So what we're going to be doing is distributing this 15 to the 20 and the d. Then we'll solve. So I'm going to do this over here where I have a little bit more room. 15 times 20 plus d equals 420. Okay, so I'm going to distribute this 15 times 20. So 15 times 20 equals 300 plus 15 times d. So 15 times d would be 15d equals 420. So all I did was I distributed, and now I can solve as normal. So I solve this just as my regular two-step equation. This 300 is positive, so I'm going to subtract 300 from both sides. Equals 420 minus 300 would be 120. Divide both sides by 15. I'm going through this kind of fast because you already know how to do this. 8. So basically, d equals 8. Now, you know how to do this part here. We're just adding a step above to distribute. So go ahead and try the got it A and B on your own. And when you're done, please raise your hand. You can check your problems. You're welcome to do this if you need some extra paper on a different sheet of paper. Good luck.